Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Scarlett Fu here with Paul Sweeney, and we are joined by Bloomberg's Nora Melinda. Nora, get us started with Carter's.
Yes, taking a look at ticker CRI, we're seeing shares of Carter's up as much as 8%, now pairing their gain a bit, up about 2% and trading. And this is after the company did report a net sales miss during the third quarter, but the company is saying that its fourth quarter comparable sales are quote unquote off to a good start. The company is also planning to reduce office space roles by about 15% by the end of this year. And it did boost the amount of stores that it plans to close as well. We were just talking about this earlier on surveillance. Yep. And it's just interesting how they're really just coming in, closing these stores here. So we are seeing shares of Carter's down about 39% so far this year.
All right. I mean, I guess like anything else, don't you buy the stuff online? I would guess. I don't know. All right. What else? How about GameStop? This thing just won't go away.
It will never go away at this point. Ticker GME here. We're seeing shares rising as much as about 5.3%. And this is after the White House's Rapid Response 47 account reposted a statement from the company on X, declared that so-called console wars are over. And it's the White House account also posted a reply to this statement with a stylized image of President Trump. Wish I could show you all what it looks like, but it's really interesting here. And we are seeing shares rallying on the news. Shares of GameStop down still 25% so far this year.
All right. And you're also looking at Lululemon.
Lululemon, ticker LULU. We're seeing shares also in the green like the other two stocks we've been talking about, up as much as 4.9%. And this is after a deal between Lululemon and the NFL, a first-time apparel deal here. We are seeing Lululemon really just trying to branch out into the sports space. I know Lululemon for leggings, but apparently they're doing a collab here with NFL, and that'll be kind of a competitive sports push, especially kind of pulling away or diversifying from its yoga roots.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.